Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. I just wanted to make an update on the candy store because some things have changed. So let's start with the first one. I bought Sunrise New Energy. I thought it was a very interesting play on graphite. You can watch my video on that. What I really like about this company is that they have this live stream on their website. And you can actually look at the people working there to see if they are sleeping or not. So you can see the trucks coming out and in. You can see that these people are still working. You can even count how many bags that they are making. They should make about 5 bags per hour when at full capacity. You can just calculate that, 50,000 tons per year. So you can actually check if we can go to full capacity or not. And here are also some people working. So it's a nice company. It's Chinese, I know, but that's the risk that you need to take. All of the graphite producers are Chinese. There are some Brazilian, but most of them are Chinese. So that's the first one. Probably a double is possible, and also depending on the graphite price, of course. Next one is Goodfellow. I still own that. Nothing has changed. I'm still bullish. PE is around 2 to 3, so it should go up. Reliq Health, I sold. So I can delete Reliq Health. The reason I sold is because I think that we are going risk on again. And when we go risk on, that means we are going to sell the defense plays, and Reliq is a defense play, and we go into the risk on assets. Okay, so this one I sold. Also, the dollar is starting to fall. When you look at the dollar, it is peaking out. Okay, so there's a risk now that we are seeing a peak in the US dollar, and that this could crash down. So that's why I went out of Reliq. Santacruz Silver I have bought again. Let's take a look at the valuations. It's actually up. So zinc is up, silver is now up. I actually think silver is going to break out because the premiums are actually not coming down anymore. So the premiums on junk silver are at 50% and they stay at 50%. Even after this rise of 8% in silver, the premiums are not coming down. So that means we could have a bottom here. Also see this is going to, the cycles are shorter now. So this could be a reversal candle. A green reversal candle is typically very bullish. And we could see 20 as a bottom here. So Santacruz is very cheap, can easily double because this is the market cap, this is the valuation. I could see silver go to 25, zinc could go to 1.5, and this is an easy 5-fold. If silver goes to 30, then it goes even higher, it goes 6-folds. And copper, they also have copper and lead, so it's looking great. So I bought it back to play the silver price. Next one is Trillium Energy. Yeah, Trillium Energy is midway right now in drilling. So a few weeks later, we should see the first gas come in. Still long on this, so let's see what happens. Gas has been coming down in Europe. LNG prices are at 35, so could come down, but even at 35 trillion, energy is going to be a billion-dollar company in a few years. So we just hold this and hope that gas will come out. Verde Agritech, we still hold this. This is a long play. You need to wait a year or two before they increase production. Still waiting for the fix, but normally this should double by next year if they can hit the 2 million production. So just an update here. This could double by next year, and then in 2 years from now, 2025, we should see more upside coming if they can go to the 10 million production. So it's still a long way, but by next year, this should at least double. If potash stays at the current level, I think that it could bottom out now because food prices are bottoming out. Oil and natural gas is also bottoming out. So I think this is a good point to get back in. Then we have Scorpio Tankers. I'm bullish the tanker markets. Okay, so they have cut oil production, so that could be bad for tankers because there will be less oil to transport. So there could be weakness, but I think Scorpio at a PE of 3 is still a buy. Then we have Birchcliff Energy, is a play on the arbitrage on US natural gas. I think we are almost at the bottom of natural gas. All of these companies from Europe are going to USA, so I think demand is going to go up in the US, and that will push up energy prices there. LNG ships are going to transport the gas to Europe, so we should see a positive evolution on this share price. So PE is currently around 3 to 4, and there is maybe 50% upside. Then Sigma Lithium has made an all-time high, people, and it is just starting. This can go up much more like a hockey stick. Lithium has made an all-time high just today, so plenty of upside. We are going to keep this one. It's my largest position. So that was the update. Maybe just one check on Sigma Lithium. We are currently at 3 billion. Plenty of upside here. Can easily double from here. We just need to watch the spodumene price, and I watch it every day. If it starts to fall, then I will start selling. But currently we are still rising, and there is no end in sight. I think for many years lithium will be very strong. Okay, that was the update, and I'll see you next time.